The African sun casts a soft, golden light across the slow-moving river. The surface is like glass, disturbed only by the gentle ripples of a morning breeze. Beneath this calm exterior, a world of immense power rests. A pair of nostrils breaks the surface, two small, twitching ears appear. A set of watchful eyes takes it all in. They belong to a creature of mythic proportions, a true river king. This is the hippopotamus. The cool, forgiving embrace of the water. The vast, open grasslands of the land. Its very presence shapes the environment. A quiet giant holding court in its aquatic domain. We are invited into a world of slow moments and surprising grace. Leathery skin, beaded with droplets of river water. The air is filled with the low, ambient hum of insects, the distant call of a fish eagle. Here, the hippo appears serene, almost placid. Its massive body is rendered nearly weightless by buoyancy, a creature perfectly adapted to its environment. But this peaceful scene only tells the story. Power, survival, complex social bonds. Life unfolds at a deliberate, unhurried pace. The river is the hippo's sanctuary, its fortress, and its living room. They dwell in the rivers, lakes, and swamps of sub-Saharan Africa. Water deep enough to submerge their bodies is essential. It shields sensitive skin from the scorching sun and regulates temperature. They are not swimmers like otters. They walk and glide in an underwater ballet. Eyes, ears, and nostrils sit high, a periscope that lets them see, hear, and breathe while submerged. The water is a shield. In it, they are monarchs, young and old, guarded by the river. Pods, sometimes great bloats, rest and bond within a protective moat. Stillness masks readiness, always listening, always watching. A living part of the river, its story etched into banks and channels. We drift their sanctuaries by day, and later we will follow them onto the land. Through the Water King, we feel the pulse of river and land, two worlds, one life. As dusk settles, a transformation begins along the riverbank. Leaving buoyant waters, their immense weight meets gravity. Generations have carved these trails into the land. The journey's purpose is food. Specialized grazers, they shear tender, short grasses with broad, muscular lips. Up to 40 kilograms, about 88 pounds, each night fuels their bulk. They may roam several kilometers, sometimes 10, to find good pasture. Before sunrise, they return to the safety and cool of the river. A slow metabolism and daytime stillness conserve energy. Pseudo-ruminants, they have multi-chambered stomachs but do not chew cud. Their specialized tract wrings nutrients from low-quality grass. Nightly feeding creates grazing lawns that attract wildebeest and gazelles. Back in water, nutrient-rich dung feeds fish and invertebrates. A paradox, aquatic animals that feed exclusively on land. Deceptively fast, a threatened hippo can charge up to 30 kilometers per hour. That speed is a vital defense on risky nocturnal forays. Their deep paths become highways for other species. Hippo society is built on dominance and territory. A dominant bull guards prime river and gains breeding rights. Pods include females, their young and tolerated subordinate males. The dramatic yawn is a threat display, advertising formidable tusks. Dung spraying marks territory and broadcast status. Deep wheeze, stim honks, carry, far, above and below water, reinforcing boundaries and recognition. When rivals fight, clashing jaws and tusks can bring brutal wounds. Mating in water, then 8 months later, a mother seeks seclusion to give birth. Born underwater, the calf instinctively kicks to the surface. They bond for weeks before rejoining the safety of the pod. The calf nurses underwater and rides her back to rest. A fortress of flesh and fury guards the youngest. Hippos can live 40 to 50 years, shaping ecosystems over decades. Today, habitat loss and conflict with people are their greatest threats. Rivers diverted, expanding development, illegal hunting for meat and ivory, populations decline. Protecting hippos protects entire watersheds and the life they sustain. They are power and tranquility, ancient architects of balance. Their fate mirrors the health of the whole ecosystem.